Lights, camera, wanderlust. Get ready to step into the silver screen and experience movie magic like never before. Imagine strolling through iconic film locations where fantasy becomes reality and your dream vacation comes to life. Our first stop takes us to New Zealand's stunning Tongariro National Park. Remember The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King? The otherworldly landscapes of Mount Ngauruhoe and Mount Ruapehu brought Mordor to life, a stark contrast to their real-life beauty. Next, we jet off to Alnwick Castle in England. Remember the magical world of Harry Potter? This is where young witches and wizards took their first broomstick flights in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Feel the enchantment in the very place where Quidditch began. Hold on to your hats as we travel to Ouarzazate, Morocco. This desert oasis has been the backdrop for many epic tales, including Gladiator and Lawrence of Arabia. Step onto the same sands where cinematic history was made. Our cinematic tour continues to Prague, Czech Republic. Step into the pages of history and Mission Impossible at Charles Bridge. Tom Cruise sprinted across this medieval marvel, adding a thrill to an already iconic landmark. Off to Tunisia's desert, where Luke Skywalker's journey began. Visit Matmata, the home of the famous Lars homestead from Star Wars, Episode 4 A New Hope. Experience the grandeur of Tatooine's landscapes, a true pilgrimage for any Star Wars fan. Our last stop lands us in Italy's romantic Verona. Relive Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet at Juliet's house. Stand beneath the iconic balcony where the tragic love story unfolded. Leave a letter on the wall or touch Juliet's statue for luck and love. From fantasy worlds to timeless love stories, these famous film locations prove that the magic of the movies can be found in real-life settings. Which cinematic spot will you explore next? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating travel adventures. Lights down, and that's a wrap.